Looking for the perfect tufting gun? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best tufting guns to take your rug making game to the next level. Let's get started. Item number 5. This 2-in-1 electric tufting gun supports both cut and loop pile, ideal for high-speed weaving and flexible movement. With an adjustable speed of 5 to 40 stitches sec and pile height of 7 to 21 millimeters, it's perfect for modern carpet production. The digital display offers precise control, intelligent brake reset, and motor stalling protection. Lightweight and easy to operate, it boosts efficiency while ensuring safety. Whether for mobile station work or intricate designs, this portable tool is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Item number 4. The 2-in-1 electric tufting gun offers both cut and loop pile modes, making it perfect for DIY rugs and wall art. With adjustable pile height and speeds up to 40 stitches sec, it boosts efficiency by up to 150 times compared to manual work. The upgraded digital display model includes smart features like gear visibility, intelligent brake reset, motor stall protection, and hall error detection. Lightweight, user-friendly, and highly versatile, it's ideal for home decorators and professional carpet makers alike. Item number 3. Introducing the AKV brushless plucking gun by XMSJ, a powerful and efficient electric tool designed for smooth, high-speed performance. With a brushless motor running at speeds from 1,000 to 6,000 RPM and a 120-watt power output, it ensures precision and durability. Operating on 100-volt 240-volt, it's suitable for global use. Built from sturdy metal, this plucking gun offers reliability in a compact size of 36.5 by 8.8 centimeters. Ideal for professionals seeking speed, strength, and consistent results. Item number 2. The 2-in-1 electric tufting gun offers both cut and loop pile options, making it ideal for DIY rugs, wall art, and decorative projects. With adjustable pile height and speeds of 10 to 40 stitches per sec, it boosts efficiency by up to 150 times over hand knitting. It's easy to operate, lightweight, and built for flexibility. Powered by a 70-watt motor with safety protections, this tool is essential for modern carpet making. Durable, high-performing, and perfect for professionals or beginners alike. Item number 1. The AKV brushless tufting gun is a high-performance tool designed for efficient carpet weaving. With a powerful 120-watt motor, adjustable needle speed, 300 to 2000 min, and pile height of 7 to 21 millimeters, it delivers 5 to 40 stitches per second for fast, flexible crafting. Weighing just 1.4 kilograms, it's lightweight and portable, ideal for mobile work. Safety features include overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. Compatible with most yarns, this quiet, easy-to-use tufting gun boosts productivity by up to 100 times over manual methods. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel